Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to master flying in Geometry Dash. When your ship icon appears, holding down on your screen makes it ascend, while releasing causes it to descend. The key is precise timing. You'll need to quickly tap and release to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles. Practice these basic movements to build a strong foundation for more complex levels. To refine your flying, learn the difference between quick taps and longer holds. Short taps allow for subtle adjustments, perfect for navigating narrow corridors. Holding down for a longer duration provides a greater change in altitude. Remember, gravity portals will flip your controls, so be ready to adapt instantly. Always look ahead to anticipate obstacles. Geometry Dash levels present various flying challenges. Spikes often require you to maintain a very narrow flight path, demanding extreme precision. Saw blades need careful timing to pass through their rotating blades. Moving blocks create dynamic gaps, so you must react quickly to their shifting positions. Repeated practice of these tricky sections is essential for success. To truly improve your flying, begin with simpler levels to build muscle memory and confidence. Always utilize practice mode to learn the exact layout and timing of challenging sections without penalty. Consider recording your gameplay to review mistakes and identify areas for improvement. Ultimately, focusing on a consistent rhythm and precise timing will elevate your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.